Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by joining the Google Meet meeting with the right account and browser. Make sure Chrome or Edge is active for full features. Once joined, close or minimize any windows you don't want visible and open the single window or tab you'll present. Make sure the browser asks for screen, camera, and microphone permissions. Allow them now. Then look for the Present Now button at the lower right. Click it to begin the screen sharing flow and choose what to present. Once you click Present Now, pick the correct option: entire screen for switching apps, a window for one app, or a Chrome tab for smooth video and shared audio. If you pick a tab, click the Share Audio checkbox so participants hear video sound. This also reduces lag. Make sure other media on your computer is paused to avoid noise. If you need notes, open them in a window you do not share. This keeps your presentation focused while you control. To finish, click Stop Presenting or the red stop icon so participants return to gallery view. Once done, double-check your camera/mic are still active. If someone else needs control, click your present and choose Change Presenter or tell them to present now so you can release the screen. If sharing doesn't start, make sure the browser has screen recording permissions, macOS, that you've granted site permissions, and that your browser is up to date. Restarting the browser often resolves stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.